baba. Hindi mo itaas niya. Hindi, nakaporma na.
Gagawin din niya, hindi namin kabisado.
This has believed that right to reply is one step forward and two steps back. Right to reply bill can be used to abuse freedom of expression. Abuse is mistreatment or wrong use of faith. In the status quo, there are publicity hungry persons, and they will use this right, the right to reply, so they will be the top of the class. Publicity hungry persons will force news organizations to publish or to broadcast their statement, their reply. And we know how people get arrogant when it comes to defending or talking about themselves. And if their statement is as low as the one whole page of the newspaper, it means more space for them and less space for more important news and other.
Teka, di ba?
And for sure, this will contain another observation at least to the first side, which will most likely demand this phone reply to the other side, and which will then reply again, and so on. That can make replies almost endless. For example, a senator accused a congressman of corruption published on a newspaper. The congressman then will exercise his right to reply to clean his name. But not only this, the congressman will take the chance to vote himself in the public that he is black and this. We know that all eyes are on me, so he will take this free publicity opportunity. Since right reply is free of charge in any publication or any form of media. This goes to show that abuse can do more harm than good. Thus, it must be prevented.
Yeah.